Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host AirsoftAL. I'm currently with my friends over there, and we are about to head off to BassPro in Memphis, Tennessee, the pyramid itself and the golden gem of redneck society. And yes, I do vape, fuck you. Anyway, we're gonna head off there and we'll see you when we get there. Yes. We're in the Memphis city limits.
No, you don't need to get on the highway. Yeah. You're really nervous right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's not as packed as it was when we went last time. Thank God.
Thank God, dude.
Sell us your car. No.
God, no. I don't think Joe would want to sell his car. Or sell the Jeep.
How many miles do we turn off? We don't turn. Oh, we don't? Stay straight?
My God, look at all these fucking hotels.
Yeah, we're on west. 240 west. West? I thought you said east. East? I thought you said west.
Kirby Park. Well, Nintendo must be proud. They got a freaking bypass named after a character.
Where's Mario Speedway? That would actually be pretty awesome.
That would be kind of cool.
It's a me. You race against a hologram of Mario.
God.
Mamma mia!
Oh, the next thing you hear, woo!
Holy shit! That came out of nowhere.
Motherfucker, we in a Jeep too. Show respect.
See here. What? Where the hell do we? Oh, staying out there. Left one.
Yeah, we good.
How far left? All the way, or? So you want me to get there? It's just a little. Just don't want to be in that lane that goes down at bypass. Yeah, well, I was getting on that one. Yeah, it continues on. Because I thought we got off to the right.
There's a Burger King and a Taco Hill next, right?
Yeah, these are the left two lanes we're doing here.
Detour provided. Hallelujah.
Detour provided.
Well, everybody's moving to the left.
Yeah, that's what I said, stay in this. Follow detour.
Use caution. Really? I was thinking to not use caution. Thank you, automated sign. Let's do this. All we're doing is pulling a Han Solo of moving slightly to the left. gold Han.
This is actually the route we need to take, so we're doing good.
Awesome.
Probably get over it.
Fucker.
Might want to go.
Wait.
Not right now.
Nope. We got two
Not yet.
cars. One
No,
car.
not yet.
Wait for this car to pass, then go.
Very fast. Go faster than the fucking speed limit if you don't mind.
Oh yeah, sure. Like, well, I don't know if there are cops around
Sorry,
here.
I'm fucking paranoid as fuck on these.
My dude, I will be too when I finally get my license. And my ass will be
You ever
going.
finally get your license.
Oi,
Speed up, at least catch up with traffic.
fucker, he is
That cop
paranoid.
right there is going to pull us over for going too slow.
I mean, it ain't like Texas where the cop will pull us over and be like, "What? You know how fast you were going? Speed limit? Yeah, there's the problem. This is Texas. Go a little faster." Have you actually been in Texas traffic?
Yeah.
Fucking shit's crazy.
This is one of the deadliest cities in the world.
Thank God we're armed. Well, thank God we got more guns in this car than my gun vault.
Nah. There's boats.
There's a lot of boats.
Mississippi River ain't far.
Yeah, the mighty Mississippi. Which technically
Fun
speak,
to fish in.
here's a nice little.
Which lane are we going to need to be in to get out? Just go straight. Well, you're going to want to go to that lane in about 5.6 miles.
Boy. But yeah, no.
This lane will do.
Yeah, no. Here's a
Then we
good.
get there and I can't get over.
Yeah, no. Here's a good question for you.
I don't know if this pulls off anywhere though. We got to leave room for people to come in.
Technically speaking,
Or get ran over because it's Memphis.
technically speaking, if the Mississippi River goes through 3 states, or however many states it goes through,
It goes through all the states.
is it still technically the mighty Mississippi, or does it change with every state? That
It goes from the top of the
It's
U.S. down
Mississippi
to
in every state.
Okay. So shit, we could claim that we're still in Mississippi right in that river.
It's just called the Mississippi River. Just like Tennessee goes into Alabama.
We don't talk about Alabama. Alabama is that redhead stepchild of the South.
Oh, you mean the sister boinkers? Or the mollymarriers?
We don't talk about them. Oh shit, there's a sex shop off there.
There's several. Let's continue.
Yep.
We lost Steven.
Yes, we did.
13 minutes. See? What did I tell you? What? It's unsafe to drive in Memphis.
Hello, truck.
They're also racist as fuck. The cops themselves are racist.
Not all of them. I mean, the black cops are racist against the honkies, yeah, but not all cops are racist.
You call me a honky one more again.
Bitch, I know this car's full of crackers, okay? We crackers, we honkies, we jive tuckers. Just accept it.
I'm Irish.
No shit.
We're potatoes.
Get it right next time. If you're going to insult me, do it the right way.
Exactly.
I'm Irish Cherokee. What the fuck do you want from me? Both of my people were repressed.
Yep, and pushed.
Repression. He's repressing us.
I'm being repressed right now. Do you see?
I hope we're in the right lane.
We are in the right lane.
We're taking the 240.
We're going to 69. I-69.
Yep, right there's the BassPro sign. I-40 West. Oh, motherfucker, they fucking... changed it. Fuck.
Hopefully that part of I-40 isn't closed.
Well, we're in downtown Memphis, but thankfully we're armed. Well, you two are. I'm fucking naked.
Why? Nobody's gonna go into the BassPro shop holding up a gun. They sell ARs there.
Along with shotties, M14s, Mini 14s, a lot of other good guns. You'd have to be real stupid to try and do a mass shooting in a BassPro shop.
I think you're good. I-69. You're good. Yeah.
We're turning on the Chuck Norris Road.
No, it's just North Road.
You say Norris, but I keep hearing Chuck.
Get behind the FedEx truck. Not that it's safe.
Well, at least now we're not behind UPS.
By the way, I've got a weighted vest coming in that's 110 pounds.
Yeah.
Start wearing that fucker every day. I'll do some cocoa training. I'm not going to pull a Master Roshi and have poor.
God. I can actually see you being Master Roshi. Well, not the good part of it, but exactly that part.
No. I'm not that perverted. I'm looking for a legitimate relationship. I'm not into fucking sex right off the bat.
Oi. Reduce speed during wet conditions. Really?
Really? I didn't know.
Also, that speed limit sign was a little weird. It said speed limit 55, maximum 45.
Minimum of 45.
Yeah.
So it's maximum of 60.
Yeah.
There's a graveyard.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of dead people. Yep. A lot of dead people. A lot of cool monuments though over there. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
We'll go there for Halloween.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Just stroll through a graveyard. Wow, and there's so many, so much closer. So do I. There.
We just survived Memphis traffic. Bob here is a little scared. We'll see you inside for our gun therapy. He already has his therapy. We'll meet you inside.
I gotta hide it.
Welcome to Redneck Park. Two happy rednecks. Oh, but seriously though, this place is amazing. They have a hotel? Oh my god, they have a hotel. They have a hotel. Oh, that is cool. I'm gonna have to photobomb that. We'll see you at the gun. Oh my god. There's so much good stuff here. Oh my god. They have a pond. They have an actual boat pond. What the hell?
They got skaters.
They got gators?
Yeah.
They got gators. Oh. Are those actual ducks? Those real ducks? Oh my god, they're real ducks. They're real ducks here. There's a catfish. They have ducks, and they got a catfish. God. Oh, no, they're moving. They're moving. They got so much catfish over there, holy shit.
I'm going for the gun.
I'm going to the guns also.
What? Let's wait on Steven and go straight to the guns.
Wait, do we want to wait on Steven?
Yes.
Okay, we'll wait on Steven. I'm gonna look. They got boats.
They got everything.
This is a redneck paradise. If the apocalypse happens or the fall of government happens, this is my base of operations for Redneck Central. This is. What the hell are you doing? Oh damn, they got BassPro coins. Sweet.
This is low.
This is just too cool. Oh, damn, they got an arcade? That is cool. Oh my goodness. That's some serious catfish. Jesus hell. Oh my god, this place is just amazing. Jesus. Bugs. I can see the elevator, but I'm looking at the ATVs.
Oh yeah, or there's the Crocs.
They got the crocodiles over here.
Yes.
Ooh. Yes. Crack. There's crocodiles. Oh, Jesus. He's a biggin. That's a biggin. I see you looking at me. Oh, that is a beautiful truck. There's GMC too. Off-road bikes. No, we're not going in the elevator. I'm following your ass. God, some boars. It would really suck if they actually had live boars. God.
It really wouldn't surprise me though.
Yeah, no, it really wouldn't. God.
This is an awesome place.
They seriously have some really nice boats.
Yeah.
Oh, this way to guns?
Up top.
Dude, The Walking Dead? You didn't tell me they had AMC stuff here. How many stairs are here?
I think this is a lot of things I get to see on a military ship.
I'm screwing with you, you know that. Oh, it's a game. That key. Oh, it's crossbow. It's a crossbow game? What the fuck? Frying pans. PUBG. Cool.
PUBG or Fortnite?
Ooh. I like both, to be honest. Then again, the people who made Titanfall released their own battle royale recently. Apex Legends.
Don't get me wrong, Fortnite's cool. But still prefer PUBG.
I hear you, brother.
It's more strategy.
I hear you.
Have you noticed that?
Yes, I have. Ooh, this way. Guns, 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 guns. Guns. Mostly bow and arrow stuff. Okay, so personal question. I have a... Okay, so full disclosure, I am an airsofter. I made a full Sweet 16 mag pull in 16A1, and I tried putting the shorty grip on there. It just did not look good. So, your opinion, which one? This one? Or just no AFG altogether?
Think about the angle. I'm not a huge fan of the angle full grips. So they don't fit my hand, or I like the vertical grips. That being said, does yours have the Picatinny rail on the bottom of it?
It's all MOE.
All MOE, never mind. But I said if you bought the rail sections, never mind, without the one I was going to look at. I got this one in my AR.
Ooh, ain't no bad. Ain't no bad at all. But yeah, no, I'm a M-Lock. I fell in love with M-Lock. I'd like to have this, but you have it behind closed glass.
I do have to behind glass because it kept walking away.
This is why we can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things. What?
Which color you want?
There's colors?
OD green, black, or FDE?
Well, it's an all-black gun, so I'll go with straight black. I mean, there's nothing wrong with going straight black.
No.
No, I'm not.
Now, this one is flat dark earth.
What about this one?
There's one I'm looking at.
Ah. Again, you have so many fun things, but I have so much money because I need to not spend all the money.
Yeah.
No, I need lunch, or food at least.
I can get you over there on the register.
Thank you very much. I got my AFG. I'm moving on now. The shotgun. I'm currently looking at rifles, Joe. I'm coming soon. Oh my god, they look good. Oh my god. Yes.
I don't know which one I want though.
Oh my god. Hey, there's the one my mom has. A little Tomcat, but that's not the exact model. My mom's a little older. Go with this one.
The M9A1?
Yeah, classic.
That's what I was thinking. Let's look at the 92A1, 96A1.
I mean, if you want to go with the basic 92, go with the basic 92 because, again, classic
well,
design.
if I get the 40 cal ones,
40 cal, I thought you'd go with 9mm.
that's what I was thinking, but I've got 40 caliber rounds already.
True. But this one here, oh no, wait, that's a little bit too expensive with all the bells and whistles on it. You can get those aftermarket parts.
Which one?
The one with the threaded barrel, the Picatinny rail on the bottom, slim grip.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you can get that shit afterwards. Aftermarket parts. I say go with the classic, my dude. Go with the 92 Auto. I've currently lost my companions in Bass Pro. I'm currently looking around for them, try and find them. I will update you folks on whether or not I'm going to be stuck here at Bass Pro for the rest of my life, which wouldn't be a bad thing. I'd be happy to work at the gun shop, gun counter, as long as they give me food and housing. Not sure. I'm going to go. Also, that's cute. Waterfowl. It's actually kind of cool. And there's a little museum over here. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm in redneck heaven. Ain't no way in hell I'm going all the way to the top, though. Ain't no way in hell I'm going to the top. Anyway, I'm off to find my friends. I will inform you if I find them. Until then, I'm off to find my friends. I am still trying to find my friends. I'm lost among the many things of Bass Pro. That is kill. I found the toys. They got a lot of Nerf stuff, I'm not gonna lie. That's some Z-Tech bows. That's so cool. This place has just got almost everything. Like, holy hell. Some toy bows. That's cool. This is just too cool. Goodness. I have found the tunnel. I don't know where the tunnel goes, but I'm going to go through the tunnel. I hear water, but I do not know where the water goes. There is a waterfall. My goodness. There's something here. I swear, I'm going into the bowels of hell itself. Oh no. Nope, I am back out here. What the hell? There's a rip off. Woo, water. That is so cool. Yet another flight of stairs. We are conquering. Oh, deer. White-tailed deer. Oh, that's not a bad buck. Doe. A moose. Oh, boy. Hogs. Lots of hogs, actually. Holy shit. To my Canadian viewers, what do you call a female moose? Like, what do you call a female moose? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments section. Currently, going back up here. And I hear guns. Well, I hear a firing range. I want to see. Hell yeah! Really wish I brought my gun. I don't fudge and know what the fudge you're on fudge.
Am I not fudgy enough for the fudge club?
Woo, sweets! Sweets. They got cheese curls! And pup mix and all the other stuff.
Attention BassPro guests. Would our Detroit Mayhawk please come to South
Moonshine!
service? Our Detroit Mayhawk please help us outside customer service at this time.
Moonshine. $1.99. Oh, it's hot sauce. Damn it.
Yes, it's hot sauce.
Damn.
This entire thing right here is hot sauce.
Damn. I was hoping alcohol. Ooh, peach preserves. The hell, maple syrup. I could definitely go with that. Blackberry syrup. That's a good stuff. Mm-hmm. Sausage. Sausage. Yum. Oh, damn. Joe, there's so much stuff here. Ooh, the Jack Daniels. Dude, Jack Daniels whiskey pecans.
Praline pecans.
And pecans. I'm with you. Ooh, sausage bites. Yum. Corn. The maize. On the cob. Oh, it's a microwave corn on the cob. I didn't know you could do that. Look, a microwave corn on the cob. Shit. Ooh, drinks. But we're not here for that. They're fudge. It's popcorn.
On the cob.
What the hell? Throw that back down there. I ain't doing that. I'll go ahead and pop that myself. Moon pie! I got chocolate at home. I got chocolate at home in the can.
Yeah, I did.
Shit. Oh, they got more over here. They got salted caramel and strawberry. You know, I am a person who needs an RC cola now. Because this face is just... Huh? Filming. Bitch.
Let's see, which one is these? Carolina.
Carolina Reaper, you crazy. Crazy bastard. Oh, the fudge. My God. Irish cream? They have Irish cream. I am very happy. Chocolate, M&M's, Butterfinger candy. My God. Excuse me. How many flavors do you have?
I think it's 12. No, right now it's 10. Well, there's a lot, but there's about 14.
Yeah, I mean, like in total, not like.
Do you know how many different flavors?
We have 300 recipes.
Well, you beat Baskin Robbins, I'll say that. Oh my God.
We have not tried all 300 recipes yet.
If I tried eating all 300 recipes, I'd get diabetes. Got birthday cake too. Oh God, I need to save money though for dinner, but you have M&Ms. They have M&M fudge. Mm-hmm. They even got birthday cake.
Irish cream.
Irish cream sounds amazing. Cookies and cream. Hey, 90-cent coffee. You know, I think after dinner we'll have us some fudge and coffee. That sounds absolutely amazing as a dessert. Sounds amazing. But at the same time, RC Cola and Moon Pie sounds great as well. I don't think. And we end our glorious day at BassPro, going home with a bag full of goodies and a BassPro hat because, of course, being a redneck, I need a hat to commemorate my visit to BassPro. Now I'm going to find the vehicle for which I've arrived in and try and take my way there. I do not know why I'm speaking with an accent, but apparently I am. I don't care. So, I will admit I don't know when I'll ever be back up here, but I hope to be back up here someday soon. But as always, guys, I have been AirsoftAL, live, semi-live from Memphis, Tennessee, at the amazing BassPro shop pyramid right behind me. Do not go up to the top because honestly, I'm afraid of heights. But either way, though, thank you all for watching. As always, I've been AirsoftAL. I will see all you lovely guys in another travel vlog. Till next time.